Kapapasok lamang po ng mainit na balita, Senator Marcoleta pinasisibak kaagad ng Chair Committee on Justice dahil sa pagtanggap nito ng malaking halaga. Alamin po natin lahat ng mga detalye.
Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ng reaction opinion itong post Pinoy Newsbook. Sandali ha. Sabi dito, Marcoleta pinasisibak kaagad ng isang nagpakilalang human rights group. Narito ang kanilang payag sa kanilang Facebook page. So, ang human rights group tinawag na Philippine Alliance of Human Rights Advocates. Para Philippine Advocate of Human Rights, Philippine Alliance of Human Rights Advocates. Ito ang payag. Para strongly condemn the election of Senator Rodante Marcoleta as chairperson of the Senate Committee on Justice and Human Rights, calling the appointment a blatant insult to victims of human rights violations and their families. A Committee on Justice and Human Rights should never be led by a staunch ally of human rights violators. Sabi ng Secretary General of PARA, you do not deserve to sit in a position meant to defend rights and accountability when your political record is consistently protected impunity and attack institutions seeking justice. Ang sinasabi nila siguro na is dahil Maka Duterte itong si Senator Marcoleta kaya ayaw nila. Para pointed to Marcoleta's move in 2017 to slash the budget of the Commission on Human Rights to only 1,000 pesos after the agency investigated killings linked to the Duterte administration's bloody war on Polvoron. The group also condemned Marcoleta's repeated dismissal of Polvoron war killings as mere collateral damage and his rejection of international accountability efforts, including the International Criminal Court's investigation into possible crimes against humanity. Sabi nila, you cannot lead a committee like this when you attack the Commission on Human Rights, defended the Polvoron War, and most recently moved to shield Bato de la Rosa from accountability through Senate Protective Custody. So, ito, mga DDX ang mga ito. Expected na yan. Para, said Marcoleta's recent move to place Senator Bato de la Rosa under Senate Protective Custody amid ICC proceedings further proves that his appointment is about protecting political allies rather than defending justice and human rights. The group warned that Marcoleta's appointment reflects a dangerous form of institutional capture, where institutions meant to regulate abuses and uphold accountability are instead being occupied and controlled by those aligned with the very violations they are supposed to investigate. Sabi nila, your record shows that you were never concerned about victims, accountability, or human rights. Yan ang sabi ng PARA. PARA firmly demanded that Marcoleta immediately relinquish the position or for the Senate leadership to remove him from the committee chairmanship. The Senate Committee on Justice and Human Rights cannot become a safe place for enablers of impunity. If the Senate is serious about justice and accountability, Marcoleta has no place leading that committee. Okay. So, sige. Karapatan nyo yan na manawagan. Kailang hanggang panawagan na yan. To me, Senator Marcoleta is one of the best defenders of human rights and justice. Kahit nung congressman pa siya, nakita ko na yung kanyang galing, malasakit sa mga ordinaryong mamamayan. Una akong napabilib sa kanya, yung hearing ba nun, yung franchise ng ABS-CBN, ang galing niyang magano. Ang daming nabulgar na kalukuhan pala ng ABS-CBN, hindi nagbabayad ng buwis, mga empleyado nila, hindi inaasikaso, mga ganon. Kaya, doon siya unang sumikat. And then, pagkatapos niyan, yung mga investigasyon noon sa Kongreso, sa mga kapalpakan ng mga kapulisan, o kahit anong kapalpakan, shining ang performance ni Senator Marcoleta. Ang galing niya magtanong. Lalo na, nung naging chairman siya ng Blue Ribbon Committee, malapit nang matumbok ang mga mastermind, kaya bigla siyang tinanggal. Sabi nga niya, yung Senate kudita nung last year, ang talagang target is siya as chairman ng Blue Ribbon. Kailang dapat tanggalin din nila si Senator Escudero para matanggal din si Marcoleta at nagtagumpay sila. Ngayon, bilog ang mundo. Gumulong ang palad. Nakabalik Marcoleta. Although, hindi na naibigay sa kanya yung Blue Ribbon Committee, kailang nakuha naman niya itong importanteng committee na Committee on Human Rights and Justice. Importante yan. Kaya, sige lang. Reklamo kayo. Karapatan nyo yan. Philippine Alliance of Human Rights Advocates. Wow. Kala mo kung sino silang malala ko nung nasa serbisyo pa ako tungkol sa human rights niyan, yung karapatan. Grabing galaw ng karapatan. Basta may nangyaring enkwentro, may nahuli, may na armadong impay, sila number 1. Dumidepensa, gusto nilang kunin kung ano-anong ginagawa, basta ito na yung laro ng mga kunuhay human rights advocates, but sa totoo lang, wala. Marcoleta, dapat lang dyan. He will stay as chairman. Mabuhay po kayo, Senator Rodante Marcoleta. Salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa channel nito.